Hi guys, and welcome to my interactive newsletter for Lotteria. Lotteria was invented in Italy and was brought to Mexico by Spain. It was brought over in 1769 during the Conquest era. Don Clemente Jacques created a printing factory for Lotteria in 1887 in Mexico. When Lotteria was first played, it was considered a wealthy game and was created for the kings, queens, and other nobility. In 1810 through 1821, the soldiers started to play Lotteria during safe times for entertainment. The soldiers enjoyed Lotteria so much they brought it home and started playing with their family, and that's when Lotteria became a household name. Lotteria is a very simple game to play, and it plays a lot like bingo, except for calling out numbers, you're going to be calling out pictures, and the words are, of course, in Spanish. In order to win, you have to be the first person to get every single spot on your board clear, not just one row. Also, the person who normally calls the cards is called the yeller, and they will say the cards very quickly. Over here you can see the official websites for Lotteria, as well as Mexico's Gambling, which has some Lotteria information. Also, this very first picture will link you to the history of Lotteria, and so will this. This will bring you to the Wikipedia page on Lotteria, and this box right here will take you to Amazon, where you can purchase Lotteria if you want to play with your family. I was very surprised when I was doing research that the game wasn't created in Mexico. I had no idea it was created in Italy, and I also did not know that Lotteria was considered a wealthy person's game. Thank you so much for looking at my interactive newsletter. I hope you found it informational, and I hope you guys enjoy Lotteria.